Alrighty, you psycho jewelry fanatics out there, welcome back to Boom Jewelry Designs Jewelry Adventures. Today we're going to work on 3/4 melt process that I use to make the ring shank in this ring right here. So that texture that you see right there was achieved through a little kind of process that I did that was kind of on the off the cuff, or off the cuff, I guess you would call it, a freestyle. I was melting silver in my crucible, and the silver started to melt to a certain point, and I thought that looks really cool. So I took the heat off, and then I started to pound it. You guys probably can do that already, but I'm gonna do it for some of you out there that just want to see it done. I'm gonna make it as quick as possible, guys. Friends, welcome back if you guys are fans of the channel, and if you're new to the channel, this is a great place to learn. No judgment. I don't know everything. I'm not a professional, although I did save 15% on my car insurance by switching to Geico. Oh gosh, really, with all the jokes? Come on, let's get going, Benny. Boom, we're gonna rock and roll right here. How much silver are we gonna melt? Now, if you guys have seen this video, you guys know how I did this using a bolt cutter. This is silverware, guys. Some silverware that I got from my local jewelry or silver guy. He gets the silver and then he sends it in for processing. And I said, just give it to me. I'll have some fun with it. So he gave me some silver to play with, guys. And well, he didn't give it to me. He sold it to me. Market price. You know, silver's going up, friends. So you know, if you're gonna buy some, you should probably buy it now. I don't know. Don't take my financial advice. Do not take my financial advice, guys. So let's go right here. We're going to go this. We're going to find out how much silver we're going to work on. And we're going to see how much silver we're going to melt for this project. Bloop. All right, 106 grams, friends. Ooh, 106 grams of silver. I'm kind of looking in here, friends. I have some pieces that are not silverware, like that piece, and I think I had 2 pieces that were not silverware in that piece. So let's do just pure silverware, guys. Now let's see how much we have. 99 problems, and a lady friend isn't one. 99 grams. I'll take you guys over to right here, and we're gonna get our crucible and stuff ready to go, and do a 3/4 melt, and I'm gonna show you guys the process of how we make that happen rapid, man. So yeah. All right, friends, here we are. Guys, when I did the 99 grams, I accidentally had my device, my recording device, right over the fire, and it got so hot that it turned my device off, and it did not save the video. So I'm doing another video for you guys with this batch, and this is going to be 75 grams, and all the conditions are the same, and we're gonna do this, and I hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna do my very best to not block the screen. You guys can see that? Okay. I'll probably fast forward and get to the point of that you guys want to see. Number 3 head acetylene torch. Safety gloves, guys. Eye protection. We're just going to get this to clump together. I'm going to put a little bit of boric acid on it. Alright guys, I'm trying to clump it together a little bit. I'm going to take the heat off, and then I'm going to see if I can flip this over. Clump it together like a little meatball. Okay, that looks like a nice clump. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip this. Let it cool just a little bit. And flip this over. We have two little pieces that aren't quite with it, and we'll make that happen here. Okay friends, that is the 3/4 melt. You want to move it out of there sooner than later. And look at that, friends. That is 3/4 melt. Very, very hot, very dangerous. You want to be careful. Yeah. So let's let this cool off just a little bit before we... And I'm telling you, friends, these gloves, having leather gloves, because you can feel the heat going through the gloves, and can you imagine if it was just your weak skin, it'd melt right off. Okay, let's go a little bit like this. And this is this. And there's, let it sit in the water, friends, a little bit, because these hold heat deep in there. So this is where we're at, guys. This is the little guy, and we'll go on to the other. This is 3/4 melt right here, and we'll take over at the other video, and we will continue this jewelry adventure and make our dreams come true. So I'm glad we got that one recorded. But that's what it looks like, guys. 3/4 melt. Boom. Okay, amigos, this is where we are. A solid, little solid. Let's see how heavy this is, just for fun, if you guys can see this. What? Oh, maybe because there's some borax in there. I don't know. So at this point, I'm going to pound it. I'm going to let you guys watch this, guys. Usually I'll take this outside and put it on the grass and then just beat the beans out of it. But I am going to do this a little bit in front of you guys so you guys can see what I'm using right here. It's pretty big hammer, pretty heavy. Try not to hurt myself, but and sometimes I try to hold it with these numbers so I don't smash my finger, because you guys have seen my fingers. Oh, Johnny. Let's just start with some hammerage. So as you can see, we're making a little hamburger so far, but I'm going to beat on it. It's kind of boring, but I'll bring you guys back. Okay, friends, I just annealed it, and I'm going to pull it out right here. This is our little hamburger, guys. Little hamburger patty looking thing. Very hot right now. I'm going to go ahead and let that chill out, but you can see we have a nice thinness already, and we're just going to keep mashing. And because we're not going to bend it, I think this melt is going to work nice. If I was bending these, I don't know. We don't know unless we did it, I guess, but there's some dimension in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mash this out a little bit, and I think it might be thin enough I can put it in my roller and start rolling it. And like I said, I just annealed it, so I'm gonna let that chill. I'm gonna take a little break, guys, and go hang out with my supermodel friends. Oh, you know, the weather starts getting warm, and the ladies, they want me to, you know, they want to show me their bikinis and make sure they look good before they go out in public, you know, and I have to be the guinea pig. Oh gosh, I hate life sometimes, friends, but out here we just have to support our friends, guys. So I'll see you guys here in a couple seconds. All right, Juanitosville, this is the hamburger that we have, and it did, a little piece broke off, which was a little bit expected. And we're just going to try to roll this out. It's still very thick, but I'm going to roll it through anneal it one more time, then I'm going to roll it through my roller and then through my rolling mill and see how thin I can get this and just see what it does. So I'll bring you guys back periodically to share the progress of thinning this out and see. The goal is, friends, is to see if we can set a bezel on this. We'll play with it and see what we can do. But I'm gonna anneal this and then roll this out. By the way, friends, when you guys are beating on this will get really hot. Depend on your beating power, I suppose, but yeah, it got warm. All right, Juanitosville. Yeah, man, I rolled the heck out of it. If you guys can see here, I annealed it. I'm guessing maybe 6 or 7 times, probably 6 or 7 times to get to this point. Now you guys can see that some of the layers are kind of popping up a little bit, more so on this side than the other side. You guys can see in the light there, yeah. But guys, look what I'm thinking. Somehow, maybe like, I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys so you guys know that's what this is about. Now, I'm guessing thick-wise that this is thicker than 18. I'm guessing 16 gauge. I might break it off to where it wants to break off, and this right here be its own stone, or its own back stone. But maybe like this could be one back for a stone in here, maybe a stone in here, maybe I can fit a big stone right in here. I'm thinking, guys, you know how we are as artists. We're always looking at possibilities, little areas that if we want to maintain some organic on the edges, how can we achieve that? So you kind of think of an idea, and then you kind of think about, guys, I don't have to tell you guys. But yeah, I'm kind of a wild guy, so I'll probably do something with it. I hope you guys are wild out there too, friends. So yeah, this is what it is. You can do so much stuff with this. It's possible to make a ring shank, probably like this. You have enough room right here for a ring shank, and this might need to be peeled off. What's underneath it? Who knows how strong that is? Maybe it. You guys have seen me get pliers. I'll get some big old monster pliers like this, guys, and I'll just grab a sliver and just roll it all the way till it comes back, and then I'll sand in there, and the part that's in there is always really cool looking. So guys, you just kind of you take what it gives you, if that makes any sense. If you subscribe to that, definitely smash like. Smash like if you guys are feeling this, man, because I'm smashing this like button all day long. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I hope this video had value to you. If it did, and you're not subscribed, subscribe. We're trying to build the community and just let more people just kind of come out here and check out these jewelry adventures. I hope you guys are doing well out there and making your dreams come true, staying brave. Really working on that negative self-talk, guys. If you guys are feeling the negative self-talk sometimes, like I'm not good enough, or I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. And but it always works out. So just get used to that and expect it. It will work out. So when things aren't going your way, that should be kind of an exciting time, because the result is going to be something that you didn't anticipate, and it's always fresh. And when you're creating fresh stuff, it just keeps you fresh. I don't know. Is that philosophical? Is that too philosophical for this channel? All right, guys. Well, I'm going to figure this out, and maybe I'll take you guys along on that journey. But I think just doing this, the 3/4, I could have, probably this wouldn't have happened if I would have let it get hotter, just a little bit hotter. So that's one thing that I've kind of learned. I think on the last one, I let it get quite a bit hotter, but I don't recall because it's been so long ago and I didn't record it. So you can go a little harder on the heat. And then I would also encourage to keep it nice and together. Don't let a lot of the loose ends on the edges exist. They look cool in the moment, but you want them all tight. You want everything tight. So use your tool and get all the parts tight, and all one. And they can have this. They're gonna have these cells. They're gonna have these little cells still. So maybe this is our first lesson, and maybe we'll try it again and go harder heat. I'm guessing this is less than 3/4 melt. So stay brave out there. Keep having fun, friends, and I'll see you guys next time. My name is Benny. I'm out. Peace. All right, real quick, guys. This part right here, I'm gonna try to take it off with my tools. Yeah, I thought maybe that might want to break off at the cell. A break off would be a lot better than a if I cut it with the saw, because I want to, it's going to have an organic end to it. Look at that, guys. I'm going to roll this in the roller just because it's a little warped kind of side to side. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll roll it and just bring you guys right back. All right, guys, I gave it a little bit of a roll, but I have some organic edge, guys, and I have these stones that I'm going to do with something else, but look what that can possibly look like. I don't know if that's dumb. I don't know if I would still try to break this off. This. And imagine this off. Kind of organic looking though. We might have to cut these off and then tatter them. Whoa. Went right through that pretty quick. All right, guys, so hypothetically, if it was a stone like this, and it will be, but this stone is for something else. But yeah, that's possible. And that's what it looks like up close. I'd probably have this be the back, have this be the front. Take a close look to see how interesting they look. The edges. So we'll see. All right, guys, now I'm just going to take you guys to the end. At this point, you guys have seen making my bezels. You guys have seen castellated bezels. You guys have seen all the way I do my hooks. You guys have seen the way I do my bails. And I think we're just going to go to the finished product on this one to keep this video as short as possible. And yeah, guys, so thank you so much for part of this adventure, or for being a part of this adventure. But yeah, this could be, there's a lot of several pieces on here that I could use. I could make a ring shank. You could do a big long one and make a bracelet out of it. I don't know what that would look like, but I'm sure it would look marvelous. So many possibilities, guys. Please try this. Make some awesome art and share the pictures on Aspiring Metalsmiths Jewelry on Facebook. And we're an inviting group, and we encourage everyone. We have a lot of vets, a lot of people that have a lot of years in the game in that group, always willing to share advice and tips and resources and where to get stuff that you might need for your jewelry dreams. So it's a great group, guys. You go over there and say hi to me. My Instagram is boomjewelrydesigns. So on Instagram, just all one word, boomjewelrydesigns. Come over there, say hi to me, add me up. I'll add you up. We could look at each other's jewelry and be inspired by each other and communicate if we want to. You know what I'm saying? You know how it is out here in these mean streets. All right, guys. It's been nice hanging out, and please come back and join me again for the next jewelry adventure. My name is Benny. I'm out. Peace.